In this video, let me teach you how to make your Android text bigger. So if you're trying to make your text message bigger within your Android device, there are two things that you can do. Either if you're using a platform such as Google Messages or Samsung Messages, you can easily do this step using just the zoom in or the pinch feature. So when you're inside of a particular message, you can simply zoom in so that the text will automatically zoom in. So this is the inbuilt feature that is available on either Google Messages or also Samsung Messages. But however, if you do not use this or do not use Google Messages, in this situation what you need to do is head over to your settings and increase the size of your global font. So within settings, simply head over to display, and right here you'll be able to see the option called text size. So as I said, this is not going to be for just your text messages. It is going to be for all of your applications or the text that you see throughout your device. And once you're done, you can simply head back. As soon as you do that, all of your text within your Android device would be changed to the font size that you selected. So that's basically it on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.